From release 26 onwards, we're giving you the possibility to interactively customize your shortcuts. So BOCAD, since always, actually had tons of shortcuts. There would, for example, be 1 for adding points, 2 for lengthening. There would be Control O for opening documents, and so on. Various commands had their shortcuts. But since not everybody is always aware of what exists, and of course the demand came very quickly to customize them. Customization was done in the past by editing a file called axel.dev, but again, it was not that user-friendly. So in the extras menu, we now find shortcuts, where we can see various topics for general and viewport shortcuts. So if we say, for example, pick modes, those are the most commonly used or the most widely known so far. Quickly extend the window a little bit. We can see that bolts was S, free was F, and so on. So if we want to customize something like that today, for example, member, I click on the button, it asks press a key, M seems to be available. If I want to reset, I press the icon next to it. If I want to delete the shortcut, I can completely delete the shortcut as well. If now there is a clash with something else, for example, I try to use A, it will tell me, watch out, A is already used, for example, for text. Click on it again. M for member would work. If after a while you don't know which keys to use anymore because every time there's something clashing, you can also click the button down here, show the available shortcuts, and this will show you various combinations that are still available to use. You could also say, show me. Quickly remove our filter. That's the reason why the unfolding didn't directly work. So here we see all the shortcuts that are available today, and even if we want to import our own in case you ever customize something, there is this button down here. If you want to reset to the defaults first, you could press the reset the defaults button, and if you go to configuration, you could add a specific command yourself. So there's still, for example, there's detailing box or unify, for example, and I would say unify, I want that in parts and shortcut. Let's see if it works. Control Shift U, not available. Click on it. Shift U would work. We save this. And now when I check in parts, there is the unify command.